What's good, chat? Today, the day has finally come, and what I mean by that is we're finally building our PC after 7 years of being in pain.
Pain and pain and pain. So much pain.
Of being on console, and if you are new here, I've been on console for about 7 years. Well, basically my whole life, but starting Modern Warfare 2019, that's when I started wanting to get down PC. But I would just constantly, if you are new here, or if you know me from Twitter or Twitch, you know that I'm constantly complaining, or you see my stream crash because of the Xbox overheating, the clipping issues, or anything like that. And I'm just that ends today, because today something special happens. And what I mean by that is the homie Sub Breezy ended up donating a huge amount so I could get my last PC parts. And it's so wonderful, bro. The PC parts, the last PC parts are supposed to be coming today around 3 to 4 p.m. I'm not too sure. They might come sooner, but I don't know. But this has been my setup for the past 7 years. My setups for the past 7 years has been this. And some people still believe I was on PC the whole time. Shout out those Facebook nerds. So, we have a lot of time to kill, as it is currently 8:14 in the morning, and they're supposed to be here around 3 to 4 p.m. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our coffee, start up stream, and basically kill some time. Let's go. All right. Now, the power. As y'all know, y'all see the camera. We usually have the camera over there. So, let's go ahead and just sign in. All right. And we'll get started. We're gonna actually set this up somewhere else. Damn, I got blue screen, it's crazy. So yeah. No, it's on. So we just ended stream, and basically the Xbox crashed again. It crashed, but it's whatever. The games were shit. I was shit. I could take accountability. I missed every shot possible, but it's okay. That's why we need the PC, so we could get some cold vacs in. But the PC part should be here around 3 to 4 p.m. It's currently 9:28 in the morning, so we still got plenty of time, but I do have to charge the phone. So what we're going to do with the power of editing, I'm going to stop recording here, and then once we record again, we'll have all the PC parts. Until then, I'll see you next time. Okay, oh boy, the mailman's pulling up. I'll record once we're inside, because that's a lot. All right, it's next time. So I just opened the box, and oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think this is the only thing, but we're getting ready. We're getting ready to build everything. We have the GPU, the CPU cooler. Also, yeah, I'm gonna cry if that's broken. But everything is ready. Now it's time to build everything. I gotta get the thumbnail.
Recording, because sometimes if you report that.
We're ready. I don't know if it got to my face, but we'll figure that shit out, huh? Okay, we took out the motherboard. My hand is bleeding, not this one, the one that's holding the camera. It's great. We're doing great. Yeah. This is step 1 out of everything. Okay. We have completed step 5 and 6. We have mounted the motherboard and have mounted this. We started this around 8 o'clock. It is midnight. I'm so tired. I'm very tired. I'm tired. Please send help. Okay, so the time is basically 3 a.m. We got it done, kind of, not really. We forgot the case fans, so we'll do that tomorrow since it is 3 a.m. and I gotta clean. Catch you tomorrow. Okay, we got the Windows downloaded. Yes, sir. Okay. Finally. Still got the red line. Wait, it disappeared. We're so good. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooking. Yo, so we finally did it. We got the PC done. Our very first PC was a hell of a struggle, and don't forget the Windows. I made the mistake of downloading Windows 10 Pro because I just need a Windows, bro. So I fucked up. That's on me. But there is a way to get it for free. If y'all want a video on that, let me know. But we built the PC. It's good. It's not broken or anything. So yeah, and it works. Move, bitch. And it works. We're currently watching the homie Drum Bum. Apex Go. Hey, I hope you guys did enjoy the video though. We'll probably do some more stuff later. Also, don't worry about this camera. We're gonna do some freaky shit.